April's Fool is described in the Encyclopaedia Britannica as All Fool's Day. This is a tradition to perform practical jokes or fool friends. This day is celebrated in most of the countries for centuries, though the origin of this custom is unknown. It is parallel to other festivals like Holi, which is celebrated on 31st March in India by Hindus. When nature suddenly fools people by the changes in weather, when there is only a day's difference in 31st March and 1st April, people get an excuse to fool others on this day. Where this custom gives people an incentive to speak lies, it also brings a lot of harm. Some people suffer heart attacks due to untruthful news. Such jokes are not permissible, which cause difficulties and losses to others. The Holy Quran states, "Shun all words of untruth." The Holy Prophet ﷺ has said, "Woe be on one who speaks and lies in order to make people laugh. Woe be on him." The promised Messiah ﷺ has written, "April Fool is such a bad custom that it is considered civilized to speak lies."